Praise the Lord. Hi, hello, and welcome back. You are watching ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂದಿನ ಸೆಷನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ನ ಒನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ವೇರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ determinants, where in this session we are going to discuss all the one mark questions and few extra questions which have not been asked in this chapter, which may be asked. Okay, there are chances of being asked in the coming years. Okay, so I'm not going to explain any of the concept in detail because the entire chapter has already been explained. I'm just going to go to the pin question, and whatever is required, I'm going to answer it. Okay, so I hope you are excited for this because this is the part where we usually students lose marks. Okay, so we should be very careful about one mark questions. So let us directly go on to the questions solving. Okay, are you ready for it? I hope you note down all the questions. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. So the first question we have is, if A is equal to matrix ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, he has given you a matrix, you have to find determinant of 2 times A. This was asked in March 2014. Dear students, please be careful. ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 times the matrix A. So what is 2 times the matrix A? So it is nothing but 2 times multiply the given matrix by the element 2 to each element. Matrix na rules ಬೇರೆ, determinants na rules ಬೇರೆ. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Okay, now you take the determinant. Therefore, determinant of 2 times A is nothing but determinant of this matrix, which is 2 4 6 and 8. Okay, so this is nothing but, now 8 2s are, so we know how to expand a 2 cross 2 matrix. Product of principal diagonal elements minus product of secondary diagonal elements. So 8 2s are 16 minus 6 4s are 24. So this is nothing but, you can use your brain or calculator is always ready. 16 minus 4 would be minus 8. Is it clear? So very simple question. ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೂಡ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಏನಂದರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ 1 2 4 2, ದೆನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ 2A. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಇಟ್ ಬೈ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. I will do it. So 2 times first let me find out the 2 times the matrix. So it is 2 times 1 2 4 2. Okay, so this is nothing but multiply. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Okay, therefore determinant of 2 times A is determinant of 2 4 8 4. So this is nothing but 4 2s are is 8 minus 8 4s are, it is 32. So this is nothing but 32 minus 8 is negative 24. Please make sure, dear students, that if you write 24, you will get 0 marks because it is minus 24. Don't neglect the sign. These are 1 mark questions. There are no excuses for you. Is it clear? Only the exact answer will give you 1 mark, otherwise you will get 0. Is it clear? Yeah, so this question was asked in July 2014. You can also find this in the third set of question paper in March 2019. Okay, very simple question. ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ತುಂಬ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. Fine? Okay. So look at the next question. ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ತುಂಬ ಸರಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. You can see here, it has already been asked 4 times in the question papers. Find the value of x for which 2 determinant values are equal ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. First you have to write down the determinant values and then we shall expand on both the sides. So 3 into 1 is 3 minus x into x is x square. Very simple, just expand the determinant first step. Okay, so this is nothing but 3 into 1 is 3 minus 4 2s are is, what is 4 2s are? It is 8. Okay, now next what happens is 3 minus x square is equal to, what is 3 minus 8? 3 minus 8 would be minus 5. Okay, so let us shift the terms. bring minus 5 to left hand side, you'll get 3 minus of minus becomes plus 5 is nothing but when x square comes to right hand side, it will become plus x square because the other side it is minus x square. So therefore you get x square is nothing but 5 plus 3, that is nothing but 8. Okay, therefore x value will be plus or minus square root of 8. ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ರು you will get the answer. Please make sure, dear students, you have to write plus or minus. Okay, or else you can also write this as 4 2s is 8. So when 4 comes out of the root, it will be 2. So the answer for x will be 2 root 2. Remember, plus or minus 2 root 2. If you sometimes there are cases where student lose marks just for writing the positive value. Are you getting it? ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸರಿ 99 ಬರೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು 100 ಬರೋದು ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ಗೆ ಬರೀ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಐ ಯು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು? ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎರಡೂ ಬರೀರಿ, ಆಯಿತಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಶಾಲ್ ಗೋ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. So moving on to the next question, we have find determinant of 3 times A if A is equal to the given matrix. Remember 3 cross 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, you can still do it. So first to 3A ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋಣ. So 3A is nothing but 3 times the matrix. So 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4. Okay, so this is nothing but multiply the value here. 3 1s are 3, again 3 zeros are 0 and 3 1s are 3. 3 zeros are 0, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 and 3 zeros are 0 0 and 3 4s are 12. Is it clear? Okay, now I want therefore determinant of 3 times A. So determinant of 3 times A is, use the determinant value 3 0 0 0 3 0 3 6 and 12. Okay, now dear students, ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಇದನ್ನು 3 cross 3 ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಐ ಫಾಲೋ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಐ ಫಾಲೋ ಇಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಒನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಈ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಒಂದು ಸೈಡು ಅಥವಾ ಎರಡೂ ಸೈಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸು 0 ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ, so what is the property? If all the elements of one side or both the sides of principal diagonal elements are zeros, then the determinant value is product of principal diagonal elements. So this would be nothing but 3 into 3 into 12. So it is very simple. That is why he has given you for 1 marks. Otherwise expansion of if you are not thorough with this, then you can expand with the regular process. You will still get the same answer. Okay, so 3 3s is 9, 12 9s is 108, the ambulance number. Okay, so the answer for this question is 108. Simple question. If you can use the property, you can do it directly. Otherwise, you have to work some working. Is it clear? You know how to expand the 3 cross 3 determinant in the regular way, usual way. Kindly you try it in that method also. You still get the same answer. Is it clear? So if you have any doubts, kindly watch my other video where I have explained the properties of determinants in detail. Okay? Moving on to the next question. Again, you have found the similar question here. 2 determinants equal. Okay. You have already, this question has already been asked 3 times, and you can find this also in the first model question paper for reduced syllabus. So please be careful. Because it is in model question paper, there are chances of this question being asked. Okay, so let me write down the given 2 determinants with equal signs, 6 2 18 and 6. Okay, so if you expand it, please don't make a mistake. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ, x value 6 ಅಂತ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ. Please don't write that. 2 is 2 and x is 18. Actually x value is 6 is one of the value. So you should ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರೆಯೋದನ್ನು ಕಲಿಬೇಡಿ. Let us use the process. So x into x is x square minus 18 2s are 36. So this is nothing but 6 into 6 is 36 minus 18 2s are 36. Okay, so x square minus 36 would be 36 minus 36 is 0. So you'll get x square is equal to 36. So you'll get x is equal to plus or minus root 36. Therefore, the value of x is plus or minus 6. Again, I am specifying this, dear students. Please make sure you write both the values plus or minus 6. Bari plus 6 barde, sometimes you will lose the marks. Okay, so please don't make the habit of writing that way. Write both the values, x is equal to plus or minus 6. Okay. The next question we have is also same. You have to find the value of x for two given determinants. Let me write down the two given determinant. 2, 4, 3, 5. Please, when you are writing it down, make sure you write down correctly. If any one value is missing or wrong, you will lose the marks. So 2 5s is 10 minus 4 3s is 12. This is nothing but 5 into x is, it is 5x minus 2x into 3 is 2 3s are 6x. Okay, this is a very simple question. Now 10 minus 12 is actually minus 2 is nothing but 5x minus 6x is minus x. Okay, therefore you get x is equal to what? Minus 2 divided by minus 1. This is nothing but plus 2. Here it is just one value plus 2 because here you don't get any root values. Root bandag matra plus or minus barute. Otherwise, if you get a single value, please write the single value. Okay, this question was asked in the year July 2016. Is it clear? Very simple question. I think it's very high time for you to note this kind of question because it is most expected for 1 mark. Fine? Okay. So moving on to the next question. I have, if A is a square matrix with the determinant of A is equal to 8, then find the value of determinant of A into A dash. Okay. So what is data? Determinant of 8 is, determinant of A is 8. Determinant of A into A dash or A transpose, remember, is question mark. Okay. Therefore, I will write determinant of A into A dash is nothing but determinant of A into determinant of A dash. Why? Why did I write this? Because determinant of A into B is nothing but determinant of A into determinant of B. We have a property. Okay. So this is nothing but, now I have the value of determinant A, which is nothing but 8. Now what is actually the determinant of A dash? That is also I'm going to write it as 8. Again, can you tell me why? Because the matrix and its transpose both will have same determinant value. I repeat, matrix and its transpose will have same determinant value. Is it clear? So this is nothing but, now next is very simple. 8 8 is 64 and that would be my required answer. Okay. Make sure if this question is asked, you should definitely get 1 marks in your pocket. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ 0 ತೆಗೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ? ವೆಲ್ ಫೈನ್, ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನೆವರ್ ಅ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಈವನ್ ಟು ಪಾಸ್. ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ನೀವು ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕಷ್ಟಪಡಬೇಕೇ ಹೊರತು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಟು ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್. ಆದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೆ. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಶಾಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. If A is an invertible matrix of order 2, then find determinant of A inverse. ಸೊ ಇದು ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಗಾಬರಿ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ, ಅದರ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದರ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ನ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಸರ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು? ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಇದು ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 2018 ಕೇಳಿದ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ A inverse is nothing but 1 divided by determinant of A. Okay, you might be wondering, how did you write this? Okay, if you have any doubts, you can check your textbook. In the textbook, in the exercise, you have in the last question. In the exercise 4.5, you have question number 18, which has asked in this way. If A is an invertible matrix of order 2, then determinant of A inverse is equal to. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೋ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ A inverse is 1 by determinant of A. Is it clear? So if you make any list of the formulas, kindly join this in the formula list. Okay, using this, I have directly write the answer for this, and that will give me 1 marks. ತುಂಬ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ತಗೋಬೋದು ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ. ಓಕೆ, the next question is also one challenging question, dear students. If A is a non-singular matrix of order 3 cross 3, then find determinant of adjoint A. Repeat, question ಏನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು? Determinant of adjoint A. Okay, therefore determinant of adjoint of A is given by, yes, any guesses? Okay, look here. So determinant of adjoint of A is nothing but determinant of A power 3 minus 1. What is actually this 3? 3 is nothing but the order of the square matrix. So that is nothing but determinant of A square. Okay, that is, what is the answer? Determinant of adjoint of A is nothing but determinant of A square. Now you might be wondering, sir, how did you get this? Again, there is a result in the textbook itself. So the result which you have to note down is this. If A is a square matrix of order n, then determinant of adjoint A is determinant of A power n minus 1. You need not write this in the examination. Just this one step will be enough to get 1 marks in the examination. Okay, but only if you remember this sentence or this property, you will be able to write the answer for this. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವತ್ತು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದೇನು ದೊಡ್ಡ ತಲೆ ಕೊರಿಯುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬ ಸಿಂಪಲಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಂದರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ವಿ ಶಾಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಸ್, if A matrix is 1 2 4 2, then find determinant of A ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ determinant of A transpose ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವನು ಕೇಳಿರೋದು determinant of A inverse. Please read the question carefully. Okay, he has given matrix. Okay, you have to find the determinant of its inverse. Okay, first let me directly find out the determinant of A. Determinant of A is 1 2 4 2. Okay, so this is nothing but 2 1s are 2 minus 4 2s are 8. So this is nothing but minus 6. ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಿ. Therefore determinant of A inverse is nothing but 1 divided by determinant of A. Just now I gave you the formula. Okay, we have already solved the question there. So determinant of A inverse is 1 by determinant of A. So that is nothing but 1 by minus 6. Okay, or you can write determinant of A inverse is minus 1 by 6. Is it clear? Very important result. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸೋದು. ಕೆಲವು ಟೈಮ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ March 2019 second set of question paper. Luckily, this question did not appear for the main exam. Okay, it was given for the preparatory exam in March 2020. Okay. A simple question, but only thing is you should know the concept clearly. Dear students, the next question is a challenging question. Unfortunately, he has given you in the second model question paper. You can find this question in the second model question paper of reduced syllabus. If A is a square matrix and adjoint of A is given, remember he has given you adjoint of A, you have to find out the determinant of A. Okay, matrix ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ adjoint ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕಂತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಓನ್ಲಿ ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ determinant of adjoint of A is nothing but determinant of, okay, A power n minus 1, isn't it? That is determinant of adjoint of A is nothing but determinant of A square here. Is it clear? Sorry, here n is of order 2, so it is nothing but 2 minus 1. Okay, therefore remember this, determinant of adjoint of A is nothing but determinant of A itself. Please note down this. This is a very important statement. Only if you know this you can, but ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Therefore determinant of determinant of A ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So I want determinant of A. So determinant of A is nothing but determinant of adjoint A. So that is nothing but determinant of, take the adjoint of the matrix. So that is 5 0 0 5. So this is nothing but 5 5s are 25 minus 0 into 0 is 0. That is nothing but 25 minus 0 is 25. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕರ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 25, you will still get 1 marks. Okay, but there is a difference between writing the answer blindly and there is a difference between writing the answer with perfection. Okay, but make sure you don't write this in the examination. You can directly go on with this result. Okay, so if they ask you in the examination, please note down determinant of A is determinant of its adjoint, that is nothing but 25. Clear? So I've added few more extra questions which are not asked. So in ಮುಂದೆ ಕೆಲವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ದಿರೋಂಥ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಚಾಲೆಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ 3 and determinant of A is equal to 5, then find determinant of adjoint A. Okay, let me write down the data. What is the data given? Determinant of A is nothing but 5. Determinant of adjoint A is question mark. Okay, I will again use the same formula. We know that determinant of adjoint A is nothing but determinant of A power n minus 1. So that is nothing but determinant of A power. What is n? N means order of the square matrix. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. So let me take it as A, determinant of A power 3 minus 1. That is nothing but determinant A square. Is it clear? Therefore, determinant of adjoint A is nothing but, what is determinant of A? Already has given it as 5. This is nothing but 5 square. So determinant of adjoint of A is 5 square, which is nothing but 25. Okay, there are chances of this question being asked because sometimes they don't give the repeated question for 1 mark. Sometimes they frame new questions. So if they ask you this question, please be careful. You will be able to do it. Only thing is, you should know this result. Determinant of adjoint A is determinant of A power n minus 1. ಆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ us try the next question. We have, if for what value of x the matrix 5 minus x, x plus 1, 2, 4 is singular. Now what is the condition for a singular matrix? So kindly note it down. A matrix is said to be singular, not scalar. ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, singular if the determinant value is 0. ನಾನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆದರೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ 0 ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆದರೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ದ determinant value to 0 and find the value of x. That's all. So it is 5 minus x, x plus 1, 2 and 4 is nothing but 0. So cross multiply, it is 4 into 5 minus x minus 2 into x plus 1 is nothing but 0. So 4 5s are 20 minus 4x minus 2x, minus of plus is minus 2 is nothing but 0. Okay, so 20 minus 2 is 18. Okay, minus 4x minus 2x is minus 6x is nothing but 0. Shifting 6x to the other side, you will get 18 is equal to 6x. Therefore, the value of x is 18 by 6, which is nothing but 3. Okay, so for x is equal to 3, the given matrix will become singular. Okay, so the required answer is x is equal to 3. Okay, conclusion in beda, answer saku. Okay, moving on to the next question. If A is a square matrix of order 3 and determinant of A is equal to 4, okay, find the value of determinant of 2A. Okay, let us write down the data. One more question, you need not write it, but let us solve systematically. Determinant of A is given, which is 4. Determinant of 2A is required, means question mark. Okay, therefore, do you know any result? Okay, I want you to note down this. We know that if A is a square matrix of order So you know this result. If A is a square matrix of order n cross n, then determinant of k into A is k power n into determinant of A. What is n? Order of the matrix. Okay. Therefore, determinant of 2 into A is nothing but 2, k is nothing but 2A. Okay. What is n? N means the order of the matrix, that is 2 cube into determinant of A. Remember, only if you know this, you will find the answer. So this is nothing but, we know 2 cube is 8, and what is determinant of A? So that is nothing but 4. So 4 8s is 32. Okay, therefore you can write determinant of 2A is nothing but 32. Is it clear? When will you be able to solve this? ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟು. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವು ಸರಿ ಸಿ ಇ ಟಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, useful for CET. Take down all these special properties which will be useful for you to solve the standard problems. Okay, so this question is finished. We shall move on to the next one. So the next question is similar to the previous question. Okay, if A is a square matrix of order 3 cross 3. Okay, this is the general one. If A is a square matrix of order n cross n. Okay, then determinant of Ka is k power n into determinant of A. Okay, if you remember this, then the next question you can write the answer in single step. Okay, therefore determinant of k into A. So determinant of k into A is k cube into determinant of A. Why it is cube? Because n is nothing but 3. Okay, I'm going to write the answer in a single step. Okay, because the formula is already here. Determinant of k into A is k power n into determinant of A, and n is nothing but 3, which is actually the order of the square matrix. Is it clear? Very simple question. Example ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ನೀವು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Okay, moving on to the next question, we have evaluate the determinant. Okay, so what is the determinant here? Determinant of cos theta minus sin theta, and it is sin theta cos theta. Okay, so this is nothing but, if you expand cos into cos, you will get cos square theta. Okay, minus sin into sin is actually it is minus sin square theta. Okay, very simple result. Okay, so this is nothing but, you will get cos square theta minus of minus is plus sin square theta, and we all know cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Okay, you don't need any introduction for this, because we have been seeing this from first PUC trigonometry, isn't it? Okay, so the next question we have is evaluate determinant of sin 30 cos 30 minus sin 60 cos 60. Okay, therefore determinant value is, let us directly, you can write it and then expand. So you will actually get sin 30 into cos 60. Okay, minus of, okay, minus sin 60 into cos 30 will be minus of sin 60 into cos 30. Is it clear? Please note it down. So this is nothing but, you will get sin 30 cos 60 minus of minus is plus sin 60 cos 30. Okay, this looks of the form, ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು ಲೆಂತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎ ಕಾಸ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಸೈನ್ ಬಿ, isn't it? You can also rewrite this as, let me write it before taking this. So it is sin A cos B plus cos A, that means cos 30 into sin 60. So sin A cos B plus cos A sin B is nothing but sin of A plus B, isn't it? So you'll get sin 30 degrees plus 60 degrees. This is nothing but sin 90 degrees. 30 plus 60 is 90. So we all know sin 90 is 1, and that will be the final answer. Okay, a standard result. ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. So moving on to the next question, evaluate the given determinant. Okay, so I will give you this question for you as a homework, because I'm not going to solve, but I will write the answer directly. Okay, determinant value is nothing but 0. Okay, you may ask me why. I will directly write the condition, and I will leave you this question as a homework for you. So what is the condition? So the result which you have to remember is, if A is a skew symmetric matrix of odd order, then determinant of A is equal to 0. For me, this looks like this is definitely a skew symmetric matrix of odd order. Odd andre 3 by 3 ideyalla. So this is odd order. 1 by 1, 3 by 3, 5 by 5, all these are odd orders. So skew symmetric matrix iddu odd order idre, determinant value will be 0. Okay, if you have any doubts, expand this determinant in the regular expansion and check, you will definitely get it as 0. Okay, so I will leave that part for you as a homework part, and we will move on to the next question. The next one we have is a similar question we have already solved. Two determinants are equal. Let us directly solve. I think this question is already been solved. Whatever it is, let us solve. So it is 5 2s are 10 minus 4 3s are 12. This is nothing but 2x into x. So it is 2x square minus 6 4s are 24. Okay, let us solve. 10 minus 12 is minus 2 is nothing but 2x square minus 24. Okay, bring the 24 to the left hand side. You will get 24 minus 2 is nothing but 2x square. Okay, so you will get 24 minus 2 is 22 is nothing but 2x square. Therefore you will get x square is equal to 22 by 2, that is nothing but 11. Okay, therefore the value of x is equal to plus or minus root 11. Okay, so that will be the final answer. Root 11 cannot be simplified. Keep it as it is. Clear? Moving on to the next question, we have you have to evaluate this determinant. Let us evaluate. So determinant is equal to, actually it is x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 minus of product of this. So it is x plus 1 into x minus 1. Okay, so this is nothing but, in both the terms I have x plus 1 common. Let us remove it. So it is x square minus x, okay, plus 1. Okay, now what is the term remaining here? It is minus of x minus 1. So minus of x minus 1 is minus x, minus of minus is what? Plus 1. Are you getting it? So let us solve. You will get x plus 1 into, it is x square minus x is minus 2x, and 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, you can leave it as it is, or you can simplify it and keep it. If you simplify it, you will get x cube minus x square plus 2. Okay, if you want, you can verify it by yourself. That would be the final answer. Or even if you keep here, you will still get 1 marks, because this is not show that question. Unless it is show that, if you just keep it here, you will still get 1 marks. Remember, this question has not been asked in any of the examination. ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿ. Okay students, let's move on to the one last question for the session. If A and B are square matrix of the same order and determinant of A is 4, determinant of B is 5, find determinant of A into B. So he has given determinant of A is 4, determinant of B is 5, determinant of A into B is question mark. ತುಂಬ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟು. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್, ಎರಡು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ A into B would be nothing but determinant of A into determinant of B, because this is the property there. You can find it in the textbook. If A and B are square matrix of same order, then determinant of A into B is determinant of A, determinant of B. So that is nothing but determinant of A is 4 into determinant of B is 5. So this is nothing but 4 5s are 20. Okay, that's enough. Or you can write it separately. Determinant of A into B is 20. Is it clear? So that would be the final answer, and we have come to the conclusion of this session. Kindly practice all these questions in detail, because I don't want you to lose 1 marks, particularly from the chapter of determinant questions. Okay, these are very simple questions. I believe if you can solve so much, you will definitely get 1 marks if any question is asked related to determinants. Okay, right. ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂದಿನ ಸೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್, ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಕೇಳಿರೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಕೆಲವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ನಂಬ್ತೀನಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತು ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಐ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯರ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, so thanks for watching. So we'll meet again with the different concepts in different video. Until then, take care and bye.